To use the integration, create a survey. Click Create Survey and choose the distribution and creation method. You can start from scratch or use a template. Build and configure your survey with the visual editor. If it's an email survey, you can also distribute it with HubSpot emails. Then, click Connect at the top. Find HubSpot. You will be able to see the features we offer in the HubSpot integration under the Settings tab. You can use survey data to update contact fields as well as create new ones. Survicate can also create new contact profiles in HubSpot. You'll need to add a contact form question and collect users' names and email addresses. Go back to the Create tab, and on the top left, click Add New Question. Choose Contact Form from the list. First and last name fields will appear automatically. To also collect email addresses, click Add Next Field. Make the fields required so HubSpot can create contact profiles. Only data that is entered after the contact form question can be used, so we recommend setting the contact form as the first question.